Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example, item 1.1.29, section plane. A section plane refers to an imaginary plane from front to back, from bottom to top. It is the same as an architectural side section view through an object. All components and parts have a section number. Components that start on the same plane have the same section number. Examine the buttons on the elevation wall case sheet. Many questions about sections are answered by that sheet. A component that begins on one plane cannot start again on a second plane. Components frequently pass through other section planes. A component or part within another component in most cases shares the section number of the component in which it is located. Doors, drawers, and shelves are examples of components within another component. Section numbers are the first characters in dimension range names. This example 1.1.29 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.30.